Hi, I'm Hannah Schroeder, Senior Customer Success Lead for Healthcare at Realityworks. I'm a registered nurse, certified nurse educator, and certified healthcare simulationist with extensive experience developing and facilitating simulation-based learning to enhance clinical education and workforce readiness. Safe medication use is at the heart of quality patient care. Yet the pharmacology that underpins medication safety, pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, drug development, and system-specific therapies is complex, abstract, and often intimidating for students. The Realityworks Pharmacology Activity Kit was designed to bridge that gap. It combines a complete 12-lesson curriculum with hands-on whiteboard activities, worksheets, and quizzes to help secondary and post-secondary learners truly understand how drugs work, how the body responds, and how those concepts connect directly to real-world nursing and healthcare practice. Inside the Pharmacology Activity Kit, you'll find everything you need to deliver a full 12-hour pharmacology unit. Each of the 12 lessons focuses on a major concept or body system, from pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics to the autonomic nervous system, cardiovascular and renal pharmacology, antimicrobials, and cancer therapies. The curriculum includes lesson plans, student worksheets, slide presentations, and quizzes, along with a whiteboard-based activities and laminated overlays that make it easy to visualize mechanisms, pathways, and drug effects. Whether you're teaching high school health science or pre-licensure nursing students, the entire kit is designed to be ready to teach and classroom-friendly. Getting started is straightforward, even if you've never taught pharmacology before. First, open the digital curriculum and choose the lesson that aligns with your course plan. Each lesson includes a clear overview, learning objectives, and a lesson at a glance table so you can see the activities, materials, and timing at a glance. Next, print the worksheets and quizzes for your students and prepare your slide deck. Finally, set out the whiteboard kits and laminated overlays for each student or small group. With just a few minutes of preparation, you're ready to teach a full, interactive 45 to 60-minute lesson. Every lesson starts with a focus activity designed to grab students' attention and connect content to the real world. For example, in the pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics lessons, students use a reputable drug database to investigate a real medication's indications, dosing, mechanism of action, and pharmacokinetic profile. Then compare their findings with a peer. This immediately grounds the lesson in medications they might see in practice. In the Learn segment, you guide students through key concepts using slide presentations and hands-on whiteboard activities. For instance, in pharmacokinetics, they learn about the ADME phases, absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion, and use magnets with the whiteboards and transparencies to identify the areas of the body where these phases occur. Later lessons extend these skills to anesthesia and analgesia, cardiovascular and renal pharmacology, endocrine systems, antimicrobials, and cancer, helping students see how pharmacology principles show up across body systems. Each lesson wraps up with a short review quiz that reinforces the main takeaways. Students can self-check their understanding, correct misconceptions, and build confidence before moving on. For instructors, these built-in assessments make it easy to document learning and identify where students might need extra support. Because each lesson follows the same focus, learn, review, structure, it's designed for about 60 minutes. You can easily plug the Pharmacology Activity Kit into a semester course, a concentrated unit, or a preclinical boot camp. Others run the full 12-lesson sequence as a dedicated pharmacology module to strengthen students' medication knowledge before they step into higher-stakes simulations or clinical placements. When students truly understand how drugs work and how the body responds, medication safety becomes more than just a checklist. It becomes part of their clinical reasoning. The Realityworks Pharmacology Activity Kit gives you a complete, hands-on curriculum to build those skills in your health science programs. Together, we can better prepare the next generation of healthcare professionals for safe, effective care. To learn more, view sample lessons, or request a demo, visit realityworks.com or contact your local account manager.